Yes, yes,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Okay. Well, I'm Alberto. I'm from the Itacil, and I'm in the LPIS team as a remote sensing technician, and this is what we are identify as main needs for this um, interface, web interface. Uh, Let me say that in this case we don't distinguish between web interface and mobile application. Okay, so the functionality should be the same in both cases. Okay, should I start with?
Yes, you can start it.
So we design. Let's very quickly this interface. First, we should have this part here. When you press this button, the layer button here, it will display this information. We have split it in two parts. One with the basic information here. Uh, in order to be able to navigate to the parcel or where we want to where we wanted to see what is going on. So we have a basic layer, strip map, OpenStreetMap, for instance. Then we have a orthophoto imaginary layer. We can add LPIS data or cadastral parcels, and then all the satellite imaginary. And then we have another group. We just call it specific layers, and it's crop map, moisture maps, LAI, tillage products, irrigation, no irrigation maps, and many other several indices coming from satellite imaginary, NDVI, whatever, any other index we can think of. Then we should check the kind of information we want to show, we want to see, and then here, for instance, let's say we press the orthophoto imaginary, and then here when we press this button, this menu button here, it displays the characteristics of this information. For instance, in this case, we have several years of years of orthophoto imaginary, and we should check what we want to see. Then this panel here can be shortened and be made bigger as long as we were checking the other information. So this could be for the orthophoto. Let's say we have now, let's see, Sentinel.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we this is yeah. Then if we let's say we check on Sentinel-2 imaginary, then this panel will display, and then we can choose what imaginary, what the data we want to see, what data we want to see. Then there were two calendars here, and each one show the date, the imaginary, the image available dates. So we should choose from to that date. Okay. When we have chosen that, next we have to choose is the band composition. We have this band composition. We will show here the bands, the different bands, and we should check what band we want to see. Then, for instance, let's go to the specific layers. For instance, we check crop maps. Then, anyway, we can compress these ones so it goes up and disappear anyhow.
It's magic. You can
Yeah,
say it's magic.
it's magic, magically. Yes, then we click on crop maps, and this panel will appear. And let's see, we can see what information we have so. Then here in this sample we have crop maps elected. So now we can choose two different layers, different levels for this kind of maps. One level, more general map, let's say European map, pan-European scale, and then another level, let's say local one, so more precise, more local for our needs. Then once we choose what map we want to see, we have to choose the year we want to see. Then these are, I don't know, we can choose the different, yeah. And then we can display this list showing the different years, and we could want to filter one kind or two or as many as crops as wanted. So okay.
He has one question. Là on t'entend, Gérard. Tu veux poser ta question?
Yes, I probably missed the beginning of the presentation. Is it for smartphone application, mobile application, or for PC or application?
We thought the application, we need this functionality everywhere, anywhere. So
okay.
I don't mind if it's a desktop or application or if it's a mobile application. Okay. What I need is the functionality. We wanted to show here how we imagine this application, but
we have variants. No?
Yeah, but I think for a mobile application it could be modified and somehow, but the functionality is what we want.
Yes.
In a friendly aspect, no? In a friendly appearance
yeah,
for the end user.
Yes, in a friendly appearance and very easy to use and these kind of things. And then one we also need is a research localization search. Yes, just pointing the location, the province, the region, and we also need, if we used LPA's data, we probably want another search button to look for a specific parcel. ID parcel. So just in the minute, just when we choose the ID, the parcel identification, the maps go there. Okay, perhaps we haven't developed this idea very well, but we probably need as well to draw some parcel to perform some calculation with this information, perhaps NDVI, temporal series in NDVI, something like that. And this is what we.
Do you need the location? I mean the GPS position.
GPS position. Perhaps if yes, I think it's for mobile phone. Yes, If this were a mobile phone application, I probably need it because perhaps I'm on the field, I'm plowing, and I need to know where I don't know, where something is happening. Or if I have to fertilize, probably I need to see what is going on there.
Okay.
And that's it. Is what.
So that was the point of view of a smart farmer who is eager to understand better his crop, his crop or his several crop, and
to do comparison between the there and the ground around, the plots around.
Okay, yeah. Okay, all right, yeah.
His neighbor
perhaps something is wrong in my parcel, but I don't really know if it's only my fault or it's generalized and it's a trend. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So perhaps it's a good